Hello and welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're going to take a look at the A major chord in the first position. Here's how it sounds, and here's how you play it. Okay, we're going to put our first finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and then we're going to put our 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. Okay, all the other strings are going to be open except for the 6th string. So, notice that right now, my first string is way up here at the top of the fret. That's okay. Just get them as close as possible to the 2nd fret as you can, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. And that is your A chord. So then practice lifting your fingers up and putting them back down on the A chord. And strum again. Beautiful, wonderful. Okay, let's take a look at the A major tab notation. At the top of the line, you see the lowercase e line. It has a 0 on it. That means you play that string open. The B line has a 2 on it. That's the 2nd fret. You put your finger down there. Keep in mind that this only denotes the frets and not the fingers that you're using. The G line has a 2 on that, the 2nd fret. The D line has another 2 for the 2nd fret as well. And at the bottom, the A string has a 0 there. That means that it is open. And the E string on the bottom has an X on it, which means it's not played at all. Keep in mind that when you're just beginning, it may sound a little like, and that's because you're touching other strings. So make sure you're touching only the strings you want to touch. Leave the strings that you're... I feel like I'm drinking tea. Yeah, leave all the strings open that you need to have open and touch only the strings you want to touch. And there you go. Also, you want to arch your fingers. You know, make sure that you want to make a C big enough to hold a tennis ball or a baseball. So you take that C and you put it around the fretboard to make your A, to make your D. Make sure your thumb is behind the fretboard. Behind the fretboard. Shouldn't be able to see your thumb come over the top. Keep in mind that since you're a beginner, that your fingers are going to hurt at first when you start playing, because your fingers are made of flesh and your strings are made of metal, and metal on flesh, the metal is going to win. So you can probably only do this for like 15 minutes at a time at first, but the stronger that your calluses become, the longer that you can play. I'm also available on Facebook and Twitter at the links below. Also, leave a link in the comments. Show me how you're doing, show me your progress. Click like and share these videos with your friends who want to know more. And if you subscribe, you'll be updated on the new lessons that are coming out. I believe in you. You can do it if you keep practicing. Until next time, guitar class is dismissed.